What's up, baby? You know what it is. Your boy JP's Audio 08. We downstairs in the man cave once again. I got my son over there messing with some stuff. Say, what's up?
What's up?
Alright, we have phase 3 of the light up the Grand Marquis. You guys seen the headlights, you've seen the RSU kit, so now we have the rock lights. They are also from Racesport. This is the 12 pack, so we're going to be doing 12 rock lights. I was thinking maybe put 2 in each fender, put 4 in the grill, depending on how bright they are. I might put 2 in the grill and then put 2 somewhere up under the car just to kind of help. It's going to look like a spaceship going down the street. For all you newcomers, this is a car audio related channel, so welcome. We go to car shows, I film car shows, I try to change the way that you look at bass demos by bringing a more cinematic view, and from time to time I work on my Grand Marquis to try to get it show ready. So if you're into that type of thing, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Well, enough talking, baby. Let's go ahead and get into it. It's going to be my first time opening it up, so let's check it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. And all right, so it looks like we got the Bluetooth controller right there, and I'm gonna go back over this stuff individually in a minute. Seems like there is a Happy Lighting Bluetooth application, and maybe scan the QR code on the back. Some type of mounting hardware is rubber. We'll see what that's all about. More mounting rubber. Okay, I'm pretty sure all of these are gonna be mounting hardware, so let's check this out. So we are going to open up this bad boy, and you get to see all these rock lights. So there we go, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 rock lights, RGBW, and the other hardware was inside the box. Okay, so I guess it's not really too much to it. This stuff really kind of looks self-explanatory. You got your Bluetooth controller right here, and it looks like it has a power and ground connection right over there, so that's how it will be powered up. Now, I do notice that there are 4 RGB lights on this side and 8 over here. I kind of like this type of connection, so you would just mesh this up with the other side of the rock light, and then once you actually put this in, it has this little seal thing right here that you'll be able to twist and then really get it to lock on. So at first I was thinking, why do we actually need this little rubber piece? I'm pretty sure that's like a spacer, because if you take a look at the bolt is, you know, it's not super duper long, but it is fairly long, to where if there's a good chance that you have this much bolt going through your fender. But if you actually go through this and the spacer, it should shorten that up. Exactly. So with the spacer, it actually shortens it up a pretty good bit, so you don't have too much going through the fender. So I guess it really depends on what you guys care about. If you care about a lot of bolt going through into the engine bay, then you might want to use the spacer. If you don't care, or it's in a place that's just not gonna necessarily be seen, then I guess these parts don't really matter. Or it might be a place to where you actually need a whole lot of bolt coming out. So I guess this is just your choice on whether you want to actually use these or not, but they are not absolutely required to actually have this boot on here. Got it hooked up to my little 12-volt battery. Well, I'm about to hook it up to my Milwaukee 12-volt. I'm gonna turn the lights out, get this app open up. Let's see how bright these things really get. All right, y'all, so we got the app open up. Let's go ahead and discover this thing together. So right up here at the top, we do have the turn off, turn on little power button. So it does like that. As soon as you plug them up, it's gonna come fully white. See, you got the color wheel right here, which is just gonna allow you to just change the color. You know what I'm saying, the full RGB spectrum. But over here in the top left hand corner, it looks like we have a different color wheel to where we can swap it out to where, I guess if you want to do like a deeper blue and then use this little circle to go down, this will literally let you change the temperature of the color, which is pretty good. Because if I want to go deep green or get closer towards the middle, which I'm assuming if you can tap it right in the center, you could possibly get white. But this actually lets you change the temperature, which is pretty cool. But if you don't care too tough about the temperature of the color, you can tap that and then just choose any type of color that you want to actually create. Down here at the bottom, we do have different presets, so you can hit the blue, the green. Of course, it's lighting up the room pretty good. Not as bright as those, but the combination of those and these, I think we're gonna have a good combo. So we hit that red. The red does the exact same thing. Now let's hit the white. It's pretty good. Now right here in the middle, we do have that dimmer and brightness, so we can actually make it brighter, make it dimmer. That's awesome, and that's just for this first setting of adjust. Now let's go to music. So music actually pulls up all the music that I actually have in my phone, and this actually is a pretty cool feature. That's fine. I found me a nice little song that's not gonna hit me for any type of copyright claim, but this should dance to the exact beat of the song. So let's check it out. So that's pretty cool. So if you have songs downloaded in your phone, you can go over here to the music and it will pull up your full music playlist of stuff that you have downloaded to the phone, not off of any individual app, just stuff that's saved to the phone, and it will dance to the music. So it is sound activated, but it is going through the app and not like through the antenna like how the strips were. So that's pretty dope. All right, so now let's go over here to tape for whatever that means. Oh, so it does the same thing. It's recording. Well, not necessarily recording, but listening. So it's actually using the microphone on my phone to go to the sound of my voice. That's pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie. So it does have that feature. Let's change the speed of this pulsating rainbow. Actually, let's go down. All right, you got pulsating red, and that's just pulsating through the rainbow. And we can change the speeds of that. All right, so let's mess with some of this stuff up here. What if we touch this M? All right, so you have different modes, and there's 210 modes. So no, we're not gonna go through all of these, but let's just slide to one randomly. And let's change the speed of that. And let's up the brightness. That's pretty dope. Let's go back to adjust, and let's go here. What does shake mean? Oh, so if you shake the phone, it changes the color. Alright, that's pretty dope, man. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I probably won't ever do that. I'll probably have it set to one specific color, but you know, it is a feature inside the app that's actually pretty cool. So some of y'all may be wondering, like, when are we actually going to install everything? Not yet. I want to get the alternator and the batteries for the car first. We're still seeing we actually haven't seen any spikes in a while because I've been driving the car here lately, but at the end of the day, it will still do it at will. So I don't want to install any of this equipment that we're spending so much money on, and I don't want to mess anything up because I'm getting voltage spikes up to 17 volts, and it's not gonna be happy for these 12 volt, all these 12 volt lighting accessories or anything that we're gonna put inside the car. So we're gonna kind of wait on that, but at the end of the day, I'm extremely happy with the lighting that we have. So with the headlights, phase 1, with the RSU kit phase 2, and with the rock lights, that's going to be complete. I have no desire to buy any more lights because I think that's going to be pretty bright. It's going to be really bright enough. No wheel lights for this. Even when I get the wheels for the car, no wheel lights. This is going to be bright enough. If y'all want to see the next upgrade, y'all want to stay locked in with me, y'all want to see some high quality bass demos, baby, because we do got some shows locked in for this season. Y'all, you know what I'm saying, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Until next time, this your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all lock in and keep rocking with me.